Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Nova Y90 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access App Gallery on HUAWEI Nova and Play Store on an Android. Then install free app called Send Anywhere and open it. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. After that, select Send on HUAWEI and Receive on an Android. Then you need to choose all of those files on your HUAWEI device and choose Send over here. This way you will select all of them and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, tap on No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then click on Receive button. But we can also scan this QR code. If you want to do that, just click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the upper only this time and point your camera at the QR code. As you can see after that, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!